He went to go get some special ingredients. Well, Winston's lighting a fire with 35-year-old lighter fluid. Let me see that lighter fluid, Winston.
It's the old one. Alcohol.
Look, show me the bottle and show me the bottle.
Hi, I'm 35 years old, and I'm still kicking and living.
Fat lighter.
So watch, we're not gonna have eyebrows by tomorrow morning.
Are those wet?
Yeah, probably.
Well, you just made his 35 years old lighter fluid harder for him to work.
It was a mistake.
That
sounds like a gun.
That's a gun. Then you need to shoot yours back there. I'm telling you, you haven't shot yours yet, don't you? You got to.
Here we go. See our eyebrows burned off. I guess we're okay.